Welcome to How to See Search History tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to see your search history in Facebook. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to open Facebook app and then click on the search button on the top right corner, and then from here you can see your recent search history. And you can edit it to delete some of the search history, or also you can see the trash, or you can clear all the search history by pressing on clear searches. As you see here, after you refresh, you will see that all the search history is cleared. Also, there is another way to see your search history. Then click on the three dots on the top right corner, then click on the gear icon, and then click on See More in Account Center. Then from here you need to click on Your Information and Permissions, then click on Download Your Information and click Download or Transfer Information. Here you can choose your Facebook account and click OK. Click on specific types of information, and here scroll down till you see the search. Then check the box and click Next. Click on Download to Device and click Next. Then you need to click on Create Files to create your download. After that you need to wait to maximum 24 hours. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.